think of the game last night? Well, it was stressful, anxiety. I was cheering really loud, and then we lost. And I've been in my uniform ever since. I've been trying to do toe touches. Like